103.9 OC 104.
And now let's move on to our next challenge.
Yeah, so we're on 1 and 1.
All
right, so here we go. The next challenge, who has the better intern, Jess?
All right, we have syrup and we have hot sauce. We have different kind of sauces.
That's going to hurt our
And
mouth.
you guys have to go through.
Oh, it's going to hurt? Good.
Okay, whoever gets done all the packets first wins. All right, it's that easy.
Let's do it.
All right, so here we go. Let's go out to the hall.
It's going to hurt bad.
Get the trash can ready.
You know what's going to be the worst is the syrup.
Here we go. We just want to get all this to be filmed for YouTube.
All right, so it's even. You guys have the exact same thing. Okay, there you go.
The intern challenge continues.
Horseradish. I hate horseradish.
Well, go ahead and suck it down.
Ready?
Ready.
Oh, what's that
On
stink?
your mark,
On your mark, get set, go.
go. All right, here we go.
Suck 'em down.
Jess,
Suck 'em
Jess,
down.
What kind of packets are they?
Suck them down.
What kind of packets are they?
We have hot sauce, we have horseradish sauce, we have syrup.
Oh, God. Look at Hector. It's like that over.
Suck it down. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Suck it
Come on,
down.
Hector's got to
Suck it down. They're both gagging.
No, I got this.
Oh, God. See, this
Go,
is why we
go,
love
go.
our-
Hector. Hector. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
He only has 2 packets left, Hector.
Intern A.
Oh my God. And intern A only has 2 packets left, and Hector's throwing up in the bathroom.
I can't take this.
Last one, duck sauce.
Last one. Intern A has one sauce left, duck sauce.
You know
Done.
what? I say, let's,
Challenge is over. Intern is settled. I beat your intern.
you know what? We're just going to go ahead and give it to intern A. Hector, come in here a minute, Hector. Here he comes. Come on in here, Hector. Hector, what's the problem?
I tried.
Hector.
I absolutely opened it up. I put it
Wait
in
a
my
minute.
mouth.
Yeah, but wait a minute, Hector.
What did you
I
try
tried.
first?
Hector, you were late this morning.
I did the mild sauce.
That's what you did first, and you
Yeah.
couldn't even handle that.
Yeah, but I bet it got the soap taste out of your mouth.
You know what? You're right.
Yeah, Hector, you were late this morning.
Yes.
You were falling asleep standing here.
Yes.
Made us look bad on the rock station.
Yes.
You know what? For being a bad boy,
Get the shot collar out.
let's go.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. All right.
Let's go. Put this on.
9:38. It's 103.9.
On 8. Come on.
Wait, here you go, Hector.
Good morning.
What's that?
I'm
I'm a nice guy. I'm a nice guy.
Oh, intern A, bring it
Yeah,
in.
well, for our intern not acting right, he gets shocked this morning, okay?
Good morning.
Is this strict? Oh, no. Come on.
103.9 OC 104.